Watch me. Who could that be?
Hello?
My head. What the? Why am I tied up? What the? Looks like I'm in some type of creepy dungeon. It's a TV.
Hello, Alex.
Billy.
I
don't want to play any games.
I don't want to play a game. I want to tell you something.
What is it you want to tell me?
The Halloween special is coming soon.
So, you kidnapped me in the middle of the night just to tell me that?
Sorry, I'm just so used to kidnapping people.
But yes, you are right. The Halloween special is coming soon. Only on the Alex and Paul YouTube channel. Alright, now that's out of the way, can you let me go now?
I can't do that.
Why not?
Because I want to play a game.
Help.